In this video, I will show you how you can earn up to $362 per day just by reading online. This new money making method that I'm about to show you is actually very underground and not many people know about this. You don't need any technical skills, it is very easy to do, you can use any device, and best of all, it is 100% free. Now, the reason that this method is kept low-key is due to its incredibly high earning potential. I can actually see you earning a ton of money every single day. So make sure you do pay close attention to this video and do not skip ahead so you don't miss any important steps that could allow you to miss out on making the most money from this method. And with that being said, let's jump straight into the method. To make money with this method, you will actually be promoting a website which is called digistore24.com. Digistore24 is a website for marketers that has a powerful statement here which actually reads more sales, less work for the advanced marketer. There is a brief paragraph about what Digistore24 offers underneath, which says that Digistore24 is an online sales platform that offers you an integrated online store, affiliate network, all common payment methods, and accounting automation, including tax automation. I know that probably sounds like a lot of technical and complex words, but basically we're just going to focus on one thing, and that is Digistore's affiliate network. Digistore24 actually have a very good reputation for being one of the most efficient affiliate programs on the internet, and that is why we will be using this particular website for this method. Before we proceed, let's take a quick look around the website. The first thing you will notice on the homepage is their incredibly high rating on Trustpilot of 4.7 stars out of 5. Which has been reviewed by over 5,000 people. So if you are wondering about the legitimacy or integrity of this website, then you can check out the reviews on Trustpilot and be assured that you are in absolutely good hands. So there is actually quite a lot going on the homepage, and it may tend to get a bit overwhelming. So I won't be diving too deep into every single detail because all I really want to go through is the primary details with you. Of course, if you do want to explore the homepage further and find out more information, then you can check everything out openly. In fact, this is one of the things that is absolutely great about this website, is the openness and transparency of what you are working with, which does bring peace of mind and provides you a safe space that allows you to work more efficiently. So what I want you to do now is to click on this blue register button, which is located on the upper right portion of the page. And after you click onto that, you will be redirected to this page where you will be able to sign up for a free account. All you have to do is simply enter all the necessary details required for you to get an account. The form should only take a minute or two to fill in to get yourself registered for an account, and in no time at all you will be up and running and ready to start making money. After you have created your account, you next want to log into the platform, and what will happen is you will find yourself being taken to this page right here, which is called the Marketplace. The Marketplace is essentially the page where you can choose what services or products to promote. And what is really cool is the amount of different categories you have available to promote products from, so whatever your interests are, you are bound to find something you will enjoy promoting and making money from. So as you can see, you've got digital products, animals and pets, betting systems, and so many more. So the next step is going to be choosing a product to promote. Of course, you can promote whatever you like, but in this video, we'll use this product, which is called the Lose Your First £10 Workshop, which is found in the fitness and health section, and we'll be using this as an example today. So now we have our product selected, the next thing we are going to want to do is drive traffic or potential customers to this product to start gaining traction, generating sales, and of course making money. So with that being said, we are now going to head across to a second website, for which is called odyssey.com. And you can see when we go across this website, the homepage actually contains a ton of all these different videos. So you can see they are a video based platform where you can explore a wide range of different videos in different categories created by regular people just like you and me. So you might be sat there wondering, how exactly are we going to use this website to make money? And in just a second, I will teach you exactly how to upload videos and attach your Digistore affiliate link in the description to start getting customers and sales, and of course making money. Before I get into that though, if you guys are enjoying this video, then be sure to give that like button a click and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be informed of when I do upload new money making strategies, and also to stay up to date with the latest, easiest ways to make money online. Okay, let's get back to the video and go through the next steps to start making money. So first we want to register an account for Odyssey, which is again completely free to do. From the homepage, if you look at the top right hand corner, you will see the red sign up button. So what you want to do is go ahead and give that a click. Once you click on that, it will then take you to a page that looks like this, where you can begin the registration process. So again, the registration process is super simple and it should only take a minute. All you need to do is fill in your email here and then create your own password. After that, the only thing left for you to do is click on the sign up button right here, and as easy as that, your brand new account is set up and ready to go. So on your account, I now want you to click onto your profile and then go over to the upload section. So from here, they will ask you to upload a video, but the great thing is I am going to show you how you can get hold of videos for absolutely free and upload them to make money with. To do this, we're now going to head over to the most popular video platform in history, which is of course youtube.com. So keeping with our example, we want to find videos relating to our product, to do with weight loss. So what I'm going to do is come to the search bar and type weight loss, and you will see it will bring up a ton of videos all related to weight loss. Now the next step is very important. What you want to do is click onto filters and you want to select Creative Commons, as videos with Creative Commons are allowed to be reused, so of course you won't have any issues with copyright. So after you found a video, what you will now need to do is copy the video URL and use a YouTube to MP4 downloader to download the video. So there are actually tons out there, and a quick Google search will bring up plenty of different ones that you can use for absolutely free. And once you have done that and you have your video downloaded and ready, you can then come back to odyssey.com and go back to the profile and upload section. Now all you need to do is just click the red upload button to upload the video, and what's going to happen is there's a few important details that you are going to need to fill out when you upload your video, so make sure you do follow the next steps very carefully and do pay close attention, as you do need to replicate these steps one by one. So for the first two fields right here, namely the name and title, you are just going to do a little bit of copy pasting. All you need to do is just copy and paste the original title on the YouTube video, and that's it. So the next part is where they will ask you to upload the video file right here. After doing so, create a little description for your video, and just do this by simply copying and pasting the original description. So next, as part of your new description, you are going to add a little something to add a bit of flair and uniqueness to your text type in a call to action that's alluring to your target audience. So we could put maybe something along the lines of, if you want to lose weight ASAP. Click this right now, then after that call to action, all you need to do is simply attach your affiliate link on Digistore24. So how do you find and attach your affiliate link? Well, all you need to do is simply go back to the product page on Digistore24 and copy the affiliate link from here, and then just come back to Odyssey and paste it in here. So once that's done, you can go ahead and upload a video, and in time what's going to happen, that's going to start driving traffic and people to your video, and of course potential sales. So I do actually have another method which enables you to make money online by simply watching videos. It's very easy to do, it's beginner friendly, and you can get started with that straight away. So if you are interested to know more, you are definitely going to want to check that out by giving the on-screen video a click now. So if you did enjoy this video, then make sure to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the latest and best ways to make money online, and remember to click on the notification bell, smash that like button. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.